we have our top tube bag here. We have two colors, black and black multicam. It is a 1 liter bag and it's 9 inches by 4.5 by 2 inches. It has 2 ways to attach, either by Velcro or bolt-on grommet. Also a head tube strap for extra security. And then also we have a cord port. And the best part is that it has one-handed access via a magnetic zipper. So we have a Galaxy S23 Ultra and a Pixel 5 or an iPhone 13 Max, and they're ultra secure. It won't come out when it's all rattling. You can also put snacks in here. I like to use the top tube bag for my phone so I can get quick photos and also any kind of snack that I have open. Here we have the top tube bag and we're going to install it using both the grommets and the Velcro straps. I'm going to open up the Velcro straps. I'm going to double use the Velcro from the frame bag since it lines up pretty perfectly. So that's the Velcro straps. If you have bolts on the top of your top tube, nice. And then you want to secure the head tube strap. Wrap the loop around the head tube. Secure the line lock and then tighten the strap by pulling the slack from the loop through the line lock. And if you need more slack, pull the slack line through the O-ring and then through the line lock.